Stop scrolling. Look around you. Really look. That messy room you keep ignoring? It is not getting better on its own. Clothes on the floor, desk buried, bed forgotten. You think it needs a full day, maybe a whole weekend. It doesn't. Give me 1 hour, just one. Grab your snacks, sit back, watch carefully. Because by the end of this video, that chaos will have no excuse left. This is not motivation talk. This is action. Welcome to Rustic Pantry.
1 hour. No excuses. You stand in the doorway. The room looks back at you. Clothes everywhere, dust, chaos. Your first instinct is to walk away. That is normal. But today is different. You give yourself exactly 1 hour. Not more, not less. This deadline changes everything. Suddenly, the mess is not emotional anymore. It is operational. 60 minutes creates pressure. Pressure creates movement. You stop thinking about how bad it got. You start thinking about what can be done right now.
2. Seeing the mess for what it is. You pause, just for a moment. You scan the room slowly, not with shame, with strategy. The floor is crowded. The desk is buried. The bed disappeared days ago. This is not one problem. It is many small ones pretending to be one big monster. Once you see that, fear drops. Mess is just misplaced items, nothing more dramatic than that. You are not fixing your life, just a room. That realization helps more than people admit.
3. Trash first. Always trash first. You grab a bag, any bag, and you start hunting trash like it owes you money. Empty bottles, wrappers, old papers, broken things you swore you would fix someday. That day never came. It is fine. You let it go, no guilt, no ceremony, just drop it in the bag. Within minutes, the floor shows itself again. Space returns. Air moves. This is the fastest win, and it feels good, almost addictive.
4. Clothes everywhere. One pile only. Clothes have emotions. They multiply when ignored. You stop fighting them individually. Instead, you collect every single piece and dump it into one massive pile. On the bed, the chair, wherever. One pile. Clean goes one side, dirty goes another. No folding yet, no perfection, just separation. The room already looks calmer. Funny how that works. Less visual noise, less stress. Your shoulders drop a little.
5. Flat surfaces tell the truth. Desks and tables reveal habits, bad ones. You clear them without mercy. Every item gets questioned. Do you belong here or not? Some things move to drawers, some leave the room, some go to trash. You resist making temporary piles. Temporary piles are lies. Clear surfaces send a message to your brain. Control is returning, slowly, quietly, but clearly.
Number 6. The bed changes everything. You make the bed, not perfectly, just properly. Sheets pulled, blankets straight, pillows aligned. Suddenly, the room feels anchored, like it has a center again. The bed becomes proof that effort works, proof that mess is not permanent. You didn't clean the whole room yet, but visually it already looks better. That matters. Motivation feeds on visible progress.
7. Objects need homes, not beauty. Now you deal with the leftovers, books, gadgets, random items with unclear purpose. You don't aim for Pinterest-level organization. That wastes time. You give things homes, logical ones. Drawers may be messy inside. That is allowed. Doors close, chaos hides. Order appears. This is not cheating. This is efficiency. You can organize deeper later. Today is about reclaiming space.
8. The last 10 minutes feel different. Time is almost gone. Energy shifts. You slow down slightly. Fix small things. Shoes lined.
curtains adjusted, desk wiped, dust removed where it is visible. These details polish the effort. They tell the room you care again, not obsessively, just enough. The difference between messy and intentional is often very small. You just crossed it. 9. Walking the room like a stranger. You step back, walk around, look from corners, from the doorway, from the bed. Anything that feels wrong, you fix quickly. No debates. If an item has no home, it gets one temporary box, one place, not scattered. The room now feels calm, not sterile, calm, a space that can be lived in again.
10. Keeping it this way is easier than you think. Here is the secret. Maintenance is lighter than rescue. 5 minutes a day beats 1 hour of panic. Make the bed. Toss trash immediately. Reset surfaces at night. Small habits protect big progress. Mess grows quietly. Order does too. You proved something today. Not just that the room can change, but that you can change it in 1 hour when you decide to.
Look at the room now. Compare it to how it started. Same space, same furniture, same you. The only thing that changed was decision. 1 hour, focused, intentional, done. Remember this feeling, the calm, the control. Because order is not about perfection. It is about starting. If this helped you even a little, stay with us. Subscribe to Rustic Pantry. More simple fixes, more real-life resets. We'll see you in the next one.